每年一到一年尾咧，就會有好多唔同嘅玩樂燈節咧嚟等住我哋去遊覽嘅。咁除咗啱啱講過冰雕之外啦，喺 Arcadia 市嘅洛杉磯縣植物園，今年咧係再次推出咗月光森林夢幻燈籠藝術節。夜晚嚟到咗植物園嘅民眾咧，可以見到巨型嘅孔雀花燈、天壇花燈、四川變面花燈以及係寶馬 SUV 等花燈。除此之外咧，今年嘅燈會仲增添咗北極夢幻同埋海洋透視兩個新主題，民眾可以見到拉雪橇嘅 Husky 啊，同埋派禮物嘅聖誕老人㗎。
And what we have here are hundreds of spectacular light sculptures that represent iconic images, scenes from Chinese culture, as well as from the natural world. So we have lanterns representing magnificent animals from all the continents of the earth, shimmering beautiful plants, as well as performances. So it's really a great night for the whole family.
那我们这次的灯展呢，已经是第2次在洛杉矶举办。我们就有55组大型的灯组，那就是我们带来了就是很多新的灯，例如说有很多是互動的燈組，還有就是一些3D 投影，那就是為大家就帶來很多就是多樣化的效果。
咁靚嘅月光森林夢幻燈籠藝術節咧，將會喺即日起至到明年嘅1月12號，每日嘅夜晚5點半至到夜晚嘅10點鐘，喺位於Arcadia市嘅洛杉磯縣植物園等對民眾開放，門票售價啦係20蚊起㗎。